Some System.io news, guys, for you today. Let's get into it. It's a Wednesday. I'm excited to post this video. If you guys are coming to my channel for the first time, I talk about tips, strategies, softwares, everything affiliate marketing related, everything that helps us pave the way for our dreams to come true with different business models and things that we're doing. So I do this because I love sharing content. And if you guys are interested in learning about affiliate marketing or any kind of other skill sets that I'm talking about, but I specifically talk about affiliate marketing on this channel. We go over the tools and software specifically on a Wednesday. Then feel free to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. Today we're going to cover some System.io news. System.io, guys, is a tool that I pretty much have been using for ages. If you go to the link in the description of this video, it'll take you to this page, which basically shows you all the tools that I recommend. So either now I'm not like hell bent of you using one tool, okay? That's why I categorize this as System.io, funnel builder, sorry, email funnel builder, and CRMs within one section and what I recommend. These are obviously affiliate links. Just know that I'm giving you guys, in all honesty, they're affiliate links. But I also wanted to share with you what exactly is working. So, for example, System.io is really cool for course creators, for somebody who wants to build their first funnel. If you can even integrate now Claude if you want in its own workspace that it goes and actually builds everything for you. So there's a lot that you can be doing because System.io has their own MCP server as well, which just makes life a whole lot easier. Now, it doesn't have access to everything, but it does have access to a lot. It's not the best software on the market as a whole in terms of funnel builders and stuff like that, but it's a very robust software and it's really nice to start. The main selling point, I believe, in my opinion, and the main added value is the pricing besides everything else that they're upgrading. If you're looking for something that's already more automated, you can go for a Funnel Freedom or something that is a Go High Level. Funnel Freedom is basically a white level of Go High Level itself. So you would be using that technology on the back end to create AI generated bots. And maybe in the future, I will start to talk about Go High Level a little bit more because I do use it. I have a sub account with basically like Funnel Freedom. I have a sub account for specifically how I use it, and that sub account allows me to do anything that I need to. So it's pretty decent. I really like the tool itself. But today, as I said, we're going to talk about System.io. I think a Funnel Freedom or Go High Level is more for little bit more techie people. Okay, System.io, in my opinion, has a very easy to get started thing. The only problem with it, as I see, is that if you start a blog like I have, you really got to get into understanding how SEO works for the blog so that it starts to generate you more top tier results. I'm getting clicks, I'm getting leads. I build my entire business around System.io. So I'm also on the paid plans. I'll share with you in a second what the paid plans are. But you can see right here, there are some other builders, and I might grow this list a little bit more depending on things. Okay, so the link is in the description of this video. The tool is very simple. Just to tell you everything on the top, just tells you what you need to do. Also I personally have also courses that I've created and so on and so forth. A lot of things that can be done here. But let's go ahead and go to the Facebook community because I want to show you guys some updates which are there. This is just news, so it's going to be a short video. If you want more tutorials on how to use System.io, I'll link a playlist in the description of this video, which you can watch and you can get some more training and stuff like that. Today is going to be a short video. We're going to look at the growth in the channel, sorry, the growth community channel. This is the official Facebook group. You can see they have about 237,000 members. So just for you guys to understand, this is the CEO. Some cool things that are coming. Just to give you guys, this is not out yet. This is coming to System.io, which I think is brilliant, and I might be using it quite a bit. Now, obviously, I don't think somebody has 1,768 funnels according to this screenshot, which is quite cool. Watch that they are basically going to be adding an AI chat that tells you, let's say, to create a funnel, manage your contacts, send an email, everything through the chat itself, and AI can do the work for you within the chat. This is because they have their own MCP server, guys, that they are able to do this, okay? This is a little bit more tech savvy, but just to understand, they're allowing these features because AI is also becoming quite a part in the day-to-day of our working systems. So why not include it in the work that we do, which is obviously going to save us time and money. So this is something that's coming. They're taking it slow. I will say that System.io is taking slow, but all the features that they have launched so far, they've done, and it is working super well. So hats off to them, honestly. That's first. Then just to let you know, they've done a bit of quizzing. They have a podcast that's there. If you haven't seen the podcast, guys, I also recommend you to check that out because there's so much that's in the podcast, from different kinds of businesses, different integrations, different thought processes, people in finance, people who are multiple things, the multiple things happening. So I recommend definitely to check it out just to see more or less how people are using it, right? That's the main thing. Then you can see right here, they also came up with a new white label domain, which is pretty cool. I still have to find a use case for this so I can share it with you, but we'll talk about it in a bit. Okay, I still have to understand what the use case is specifically for the white label. But this also was launched in June. And let's go ahead and look at something else. Then there's another podcast, as you guys can see. And this is something also pretty nice, which I think that for course creators, you can look at it, is that you can now have dedicated pages with the assignments for each of the page. So let's say you want an interactive course where people, and this is just getting your quality product, right? If you want an interactive course where people are responding, maybe some tasks that are there, some improvements, you're talking to the instructor, so on and so forth. So it has it available within this this section right here. Then there is some new features on the webhooks and some workflows that came up directly, which you can share, and also kind of the prompt and the result coming in. So this, for example, let's say you connect to the MCP server for Claude. Claude will go and write the newsletter for you directly. So you've written it all over here. It implements on your newsletter. I'm going to be trying this feature out soon, and I'll give you guys an update on it in the next video. But because I use Claude and everything else, so this is going to be definitely a solution for the long term. But you can do it also with ChatGPT. It's also possible. Okay, dokie. Let's go ahead and try. So I'm gonna spend a little bit more time just to explain to you how this works. Okay. So let's say this feature is available now for newsletters. Now I personally send a newsletter out every single day. I'm going to show you guys. Okay. If I go here and I go to newsletters, you'll see that I have all these broadcast letters out for the next till next end of the week. Now since I do that every day, this is also very useful. So it says create a newsletter draft in seconds using your favorite AI tools like ChatGPT, blah blah blah. Okay, update the subject line, preview text, content. Let's say you do your research in a tool like ChatGPT. You start to create the whole entire email within ChatGPT, and either you can create a new email or you can edit the current one that exists. And with the MCP server, you'll be able to create it and add it there. Now, one thing that I will say, which you guys should pay attention to, is that it'll edit the entire thing. So let's say if you have an image like I have right here in my email, it will go away. So in order for you to get a little bit more savvy in it, come back to the email and add your images if that's the case. Okay, unfortunately, there is no fixed way that you can add like a signature in email, just that it's there, and then it will only change the text. It doesn't happen that way, just for you guys to understand. Okay, the other thing to pay attention to is, as you guys can see, you can use the classic editor. You can send, schedule, and delete newsletters also just using ChatGPT or Claude itself. So pretty useful update and very, very helpful update also. Also, all of this is in June. And the last update, this is more for group events and stuff like that. They have calendar confirmation emails for group events that's applicable, and then you can make it confidential as well, so they don't see the entire list of people who are invited. Okay, so that's pretty cool. That's good. It just basically accesses the group settings within Google, and that's how basically it keeps the confidentiality and stuff like that. So there's just a few updates right here. Again, let me just go back and go back and go back, and I want to show you guys system.io. If I just go here to the main website, let's look at the pricing so that you guys are clear. Okay, so you can see right here it's either $17.47 or $97 per month, depending on which plan you're at. I recommend getting at least the $17 per month because it's worth it, guys. I have my entire years already paid off, so I actually have the annual startup plan, but I have somebody who's on webinar plan who's enjoying it as well. And ultimately this person is also ready, as per what he told me, to go to unlimited plan, which is also an additional monthly payment for me that goes up to around I believe $60 a month, around 58 to yeah, around $58 per month basically, just on that unlimited plan, right? So which is because you, as an affiliate for System.io, if they go on the paid memberships, you get about 60% commissions on all of them. I recommend any case to get the startup because it gives you 10 funnels, 10 automations, 3 domains. You can at least try a little bit more. But if you still want to gain confidence, you want to test out every single feature, get started for free. Go look at it for free. Enjoy. Look at the automations. Look at add the custom domain. Get up to 2,000 contacts. I know somebody who is in System.io who's still using, she's a six-figure earner, she's still using System.io on the free one because she's keeping her contacts up to 2,000 only and then transferring those contacts onto a back-end list that she has. So she spends pretty much nothing on System.io and still that's running her business basically on the front end. Anything is possible. It's really up to you to put in the work. We always say this on each and every video, that the tools, the automations, everything that we're using can help us get there faster and give us the skill sets that we can actually leverage and sell to other people in order for us to start paving the way for our dreams to come true. So pretty good CRM. It's been in market for years now and people are really paying attention to it. I think that it's gonna continue for a long time. That being said, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Next week, I'm gonna go through something a little bit technical, but I want to talk about the difference between email service providers and CRM platforms because I think that's going to be a crucial element to why you understand that these tools exist, and I categorize them also together because it's very important to understand what's the difference between Aweber and a System.io. If both I can send emails, what's the difference between Aweber and a Funnel Freedom, because both I can send emails. I will explain that to you guys on the next video. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. If you have any questions, again, let me know in the comments and I'm going to see you on the next video. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.